अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं मुजाहिद फ्रॉम नवीद गेम। आज हमारे साथ अवेलेबल है Insta360 One X2. Today we are going to talk about its feature and specs in very deep detail. In the box we have Insta360 One X2, the camera itself, and protective pouch, battery and charging cable, warranty card, international warranty card, and quick start guide. Today our topic is it's not about the unboxing 361 X2 key. So इसमें only camera है. So today the main focus is about its specs and feature. So let's talk about its detail. They had the video from its resolution. इसकी 5.7K 360 capture. 5.7K 360 capture impossible in your pocket. Unlock the world of creative possibility with a Pocket 360 action camera. Shoot, stabilize and edit 5.7K 360 video for you. ये steadicam mode जो है, your 360 camera into a traditional action cam with a steadicam mode. Shoot with one lens and get ultra stable wide angle footage that's ready to share in the snap. Flow state stabilization. No matter the action, get smooth video with 1x2s best in class action cam image stabilization. Skip the gamble and grab your Pocket 360 camera instead. Invisible selfie stick. Shoot with invisible selfie stick and then watch it disappear in your edit capture. Easy aerial angle and third person perspective with just a 360 action camera. Waterproof to 10 meter. Waterproof to 10 meter, 33 feet straight out of the box. Grab the device case for stitching of your underwater 360 footage down to 45 meters. AL editing with adjust a tip. The app speed setting only the Insta360 apps. The 4 mic 360 audio. One X2 uses 4 mics to locate and simplify your voice no matter how you hold the camera, and a new smart wind reduction means you only get the audio you want. Ultra bright touch screen. Swap to a previous an entire 360-degree scenes. It's a 360 camera viewfinder like no other. It's 40% bigger than 1X. Hyperlapse. Go ultra slow-mo or speed things up with a hyperlapse. Edit your 360 or Steadicam footage with ease on your phone apps. Voice control. Call the shoot with voice control when Insta360 One X2 is just out of reach. So that was our video of Insta360 One X2 key. So today the topic was to describe Insta360 One X, इसकी specs, इसकी feature के बारे में हमने describe कर दिया in detail. So I hope you like the video of Insta360 One X key. It's available at Naveed Games. If you want to buy, do visit Naveed Games. Location जो है मैंने नीचे description में डाल दिया, और हमारी WhatsApp number, हमारी delivery भी available है all around Pakistan. Thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.